Today marks a great milestone in Long Island Railroad's history. We're opening the elevator at Murray Hill Station today. Both tracks will have elevators, making this station fully accessible to the public. It's our 107th station out of 124, and I'm proud to say that the men and women of Long Island Railroad did heroic things in terms of ensuring that this work could continue as we look to make the stations not only accessible for today, but all of our stations fully accessible through the system. And many thanks to, again, our men and women, our station folks, and as well as the contractor, LaDuca Associates and North American Elevators. It's a great achievement. I'm pleased to say that we're able to do it despite the pandemic, and as we run essential service for all the healthcare workers, for all the essential workers, and for our own employees, they continue to report every day. It's a proud day for Long Island Railroad, and a proud day for Murray Hill as we add another station to our system, fully accessible to the public.